Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a clothing store with the Shopify Starter Plan. In this video, I'm going to be covering how you can register cheap Shopify subscription plans, setting up a clothing store from scratch with print-on-demand applications, importing the product catalog listings, and so much more, so let's dive right in. We'll be building our entire store using Shopify given its balance of ease of use plus powerful features. So the first step involves actually signing up for an account via one of their tiered monthly plans. Shopify offers a lot of subscription levels based on desired functionality needs. However, no matter your level, the basic plan should be more than enough with its features as it is designed for individuals or small businesses. So go ahead and access the offer in our description box down below. When creating an account with the link, you will be given 3-day free trial, and then you can purchase any one of these plans right here for only $1 a month for your first 3 months on the platform. The very next step is that we want to link integrated print-on-demand applications that actually fulfill orders placed by customers automatically based on the products that you design and showcase. And the most popular leading options include Printful, as they have huge assortment across apparel, home goods, accessories, etc., covering over 300 plus product types, and it provides packing slips. There's also Printify, as it supports 180 plus offerings integrated with major e-commerce platforms like Etsy, WooCommerce, and of course Shopify. Teespring is another great and valid option as it specializes in apparel like t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops. It's very designer friendly tools. So you can browse the full app listings within Shopify's store dashboard. You will have to go to the applications with Shopify and then search print on demand. I would recommend reading reviews and previews before installing anything. Most of the applications provide free baseline functionality, only taking cuts on order volumes. And now I'm going to import an actual product listing. After installing an app of choice, connect your account, granting access to sync product data. Each platform handles this authorization flow differently during the first connections. After the account confirmation, access the print applications catalog, isolating categories matching your store's niche like apparel. This includes shirts, hoodies, and tank tops, etc. or home goods from pillows to blankets and towels, maybe even accessories like hats, backpacks, and socks, and so many more genres depending on your own niche and brand. So in the products section, you will now see draft listings pulled in from the application catalog awaiting publishing. I would recommend leaving everything from titles, descriptions, and images as is until presentable, and then flip to live status. And just like that, we now have visible products that customers can add to carts and purchase, assuming design assets get uploaded. And now, while the print providers power order production, the Shopify store itself controls the overall buyer journeys. And this demands considering visual elements, cultivating positive first impressions around your brand. So start by applying an aesthetically pleasing theme matching stylistic store aspirations. Definitely browse the free and also the paid theme options, preview them across devices before activating, and then tweak fonts, colors, and layouts. Ensure the fold imagery catches eyes quickly. Also populate text areas elaborating on your niche, offerings, or designs adding more depth. And beyond the themes, definitely provide branding assets like a custom logo, the icon avatar image of your brand, a cover banner photo, and collection summaries, helping connect visitors more personally through consistent visual recognition. And don't neglect the SEO either. Populate meta titles and descriptions, tags, etc., optimizing online discovery. And after that, we will have to enable diverse payment methods to reduce checkout friction. No customers will complete checkout if unable to pay. So under the Shopify settings, enable desired payment methods. You can add the credit cards, obviously essential, so Visa, MasterCard, or Amex. PayPal equally important, recognize the icon builds trust, and secondary options like Google or Apple Pay. Definitely provide clear icons above primary call to action areas like shopping carts, signaling enabled tender types. International buyers especially appreciate seeing familiar domestic payment logos. Don't lose sales from assumed restrictions without indicators. And the very last yet most important step is driving traffic to your print-on-demand Shopify store. So rather than executing advanced marketing immediately, consider simple free approaches. So share your store on personal social channels, run a small free traffic ads to relevant interests, direct existing contacts like previous customers, and collaborate on giveaways with aligned brands. Do not expect overnight explosive sales. Building brand recognition and community trust takes concerted time. You can run small experiments measuring impact while staying focused on customer experience. And once detecting particular traffic channels demonstrating ROI potential, double down further with expanded budgets to scale volumes. And this will be all on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comment section down below what you think and whether you have any questions. And if you found today's video to be any valuable, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.